Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. In this video, I'll show you step by step on how you can use Nano Banana with Google Gemini to generate and refine AI images. So if you've seen those viral hyper-realistic photos online, this is how people make them. Let's get started. So what is Nano Banana? It's a Google Gemini experimental model for AI image generations, and it's designed to create super realistic, detailed, and consistent photos from text prompts. And how you can access it, you can go to the gemini.google.com or the aistudio.google.com here like I do. And you can just log in with your Google account. And here you'll see on the Google AI Studio the Nano Banana options. You can just click on it and then you can generate image using this feature. So for example, in here I'm going to use this prompt: create a cinematic portrait of a girl standing under neon lights, rain reflections, 4K ultra realistic lighting, and professional photography look. Click on run. And Gemini or Nano Banana model will process and show your generated images. So for the prompt tips, you need to be specific about the lighting, mood, and style. And you can also add camera terms like wide shot, macro, soft focus, or others. And you can also use emotion words like melancholic, peaceful, or energetic. Okay, so here is the result based on the prompts. As you guys can see, it looks so real in 4K quality. And now refine images. So now we've generated an image, you can refine it using Gemini's built-in tools. You can here just add additional prompt, for example, refine the face details and add warm tones. You can go with that, and you can hit on enter or click on the run in here. Then Gemini will update the image while keeping your main subject consistent. You can also use Gemini text prompts to plan your AI photo idea first. You can ask Gemini to give you a creative idea for a fantasy character concept. Copy that idea and then use the same stacks in Nano Banana image generations. Okay, so here is the refined image. So this is the before and here is after the refine process. So that's it. That's how you can use Nano Banana with Google Gemini to generate and refine AI images like a pro. If you want a full prompt pack or a video on Nano Banana for realistic portraits, you can drop a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and also click on thanks. Bye.